Hello dear students, welcome to I Love Pharmacology. In today's session, let us learn about the adverse effects of cholinergic drugs. So in this class, we'll mainly concentrate on the adverse drug effects which are caused by cholinergic agonist or cholinomimetic agent, which are also called as parasympathomimetic, and also the side effects of anticholinesterase. So these drugs, basically you know the examples for cholinergic agonist and anticholinesterase. Example: pilocarpine, carbachol, methacholine, and you have a neostigmine, pyridostigmine, physostigmine under anticholinesterases. Both of these drugs will going to stimulate the muscarinic receptors. So let us see the side effects one by one. These cholinergic agonists or the parasympathomimetic drugs will going to cause increased salivation due to the M3 receptor activation in the salivary gland, and also M3 receptor activation in the sweat gland will lead to increased sweating, and M3 receptor stimulation in the intestinal smooth muscles will lead to contraction of the intestinal smooth muscles accompanied by relaxation of the sphincter, lead to diarrhea. Whereas in case of myocardium, these acetylcholine will act on the M2 receptor which is present in the myocardium and produces the response similar to that of the vagal stimulation, where it reduces the heart rate and also it reduces the force of contraction. At higher doses, even it reduces the conduction of the impulses. Whereas in case of blood vessels, there is a M3 receptor which leads to activation of the reticuloendothelial releasing factor which is present in the vascular endothelium. So this M3 in the vascular smooth muscle gets activated by acetylcholine, leading to release of endothelial derived relaxing factor, leading to release of nitric oxide. So this nitric oxide is responsible for causing vasodilation, which can lead to hypotension. So coming to the eye, so in the eye it acts on M3 receptor which is present in the circular muscle fibers of the iris, leading to contraction of circular muscle fibers, and it causes constriction of the pupil. So it can cause miosis. And next, coming to the side effects which can occur with the bladder. So again here M3 receptor are present on the detrusor muscle fibers of the bladder. So when M3 receptor gets stimulated, this detrusor muscle will be contracted and there will be relaxation of the trigonal sphincter, leading to urination. So there is an increased frequency of urinary urgency. So here you can see there is increased urination. So both you can remember there will be increased chance of urination as well as increased chance of defecation. And also it can cause nausea. Either it can be due to the M1 receptor activation which is present in the gastric ganglion, as well as the M3 receptor in the gastric glands. They can increase the gastric acid production which can lead to nausea and vomiting. So these are the specific side effects of cholinergic agonist or cholinomimetic or the parasympathomimetic group of drugs. So if you find this video useful, please do subscribe to my channel I Love Pharmacology, and do not forget to share and hit the like button and bell icon, and lastly do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.